What is up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue with the Discord app not opening or starting. There is no one solution that fits all, so you need to follow each of these steps to find the one that works for you. But before we start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. The very first thing that you need to do is delete the cache data. You can do this by simply going to the Start menu, then searching for Run, tapping on the Run icon. Inside of the Run, type in %app data percentage and hit enter. From here, you should see a folder called Discord right here. Head into that folder, and inside you'll find three different folders that we need to delete: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Right click on each of them and hit the trash icon to delete them. If you get an error message saying you can't delete, it probably means that Discord is just open in the background. So what you need to do is close on Discord, go to Task Manager, then find Discord, then select End Task. And there you go. Now you can delete this cache. Now, if that solution didn't work for you, the next thing that you can do is make sure you're running the app as an administrator. To do that, head over the app to your desktop, then right click on the shortcut and go to Properties. Inside the Properties, you can go to Compatibility and make sure to disable full screen optimizations. Now, after that, just select Run this program in compatibility mode, then select Apply, then hit OK. Now right click on it and run as an administrator, then click on Yes. If it's still not working, the next thing to do is check your system for any corrupt or missing files. You can do this by going to the search menu, then typing cmd, then running this as administrator. Then click on Yes. Then, once you're in the command prompt, the next thing that you can do is type sfc/scan now. There you go. It will now scan the files in your system. Now, once that's done, we also want to make sure our firewall isn't blocking the Discord app. You can do this by going to the Start menu and searching for Windows Defender. On the left-hand side, you want to select Allow an app or feature to Defender's firewall. Now, what you want to do is click Change Settings. Now, select Allow another app. Now, after this, now you want to head over to the Discord app. If you're unsure where the Discord app is, you want to close this for a sec. Then go to the Discord app icon, then select Properties, open File Location, then just copy the path right here. Then go back to the Windows Defender firewall, select another app, browse, and paste the Discord app right here and click Enter. Now you want to go and select Update and hit Open, then select Add. Now when this is added, make sure that private and public is both turned on. Then select OK. And you need to close this. Now, if that still doesn't work, you might want to do a fresh installation of Discord. To do that, go to Remove or Add Programs. Then, when this window popped up, you want to go ahead and search for Discord. Then select Uninstall. Then, after uninstalling, make sure to reinstall Discord again and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps.